This tutorial will show you how to take a screenshot. Down in the lower left-hand corner of your screen, you're going to click the Windows icon. You can use the Windows key on your keyboard if you prefer. It will bring up this menu. Just start typing on your keyboard, Snipping Tool. Right here, Snipping Tool. That's what we're looking for. It's got this scissors icon. Go ahead and click on that, and you're going to get this tiny little pop-up. Down here in the taskbar, I recommend right-clicking or two-finger clicking and pin to your taskbar. Mine's already pinned to my taskbar, but that's just a toggle. You can pin or unpin. Okay, so we're going to pin that to our taskbar so we always have that ready. It'll be right down there whenever we need it. Now, to make a snip of our screen, we're going to click this New button right here, the New button, and the whole screen goes foggy. We're going to click and drag. See the cursor change to a crosshair. We're going to click and drag just to capture the part of the screen that we want to save, and it turns it into a picture for us. And we're just going to save that somewhere where we know where we can find it. If you want to put it in your pictures, that's fine, but I highly recommend you change the name. The default will be capture, and probably include your name in it for your teacher, and say maybe this is the results of a test or something, and save it. So then when you are ready to upload that, it will just be a picture file.